Alright, boys, it's Tradeson. Just a quick recap of yesterday's and today's trading, right? So it's been a bit of an irritating start to the week. We're not down massively because my risk management is on point. But yesterday was a small loss, and today is basically break even, small win. These are the two trades I took in the Dow today. The hardest thing about trading is knowing when to stop, right? And that took me fucking years to do that. So that line represents a particular resistance within the pre-market. It wasn't pre-market highs, but it was clean resistance within pre-market. So I anticipated a breakout of the pre-market, which we got here. We then came back to the pre-market resistance levels, and we created this very nice reversal candle. We've got a mini liquidity sweep there, closed strong. So that was my buy signal. So this was a fucking horrendously annoying trade. So I bought the break of that candle roughly there. Now, what I do differently these days is I trade a smaller size and I give myself a larger stop loss. So my stop loss was around here. Luckily. Around there. Something like that. Fuck. That's annoying. Anyway, so as you can see, I was stuck in a range 5, 10, 15, 20, 20 for 25 minutes. And I was almost stopped out. Luckily, I gave my trade space to breathe, which is a good thing to do. Then finally, about half an hour later, we broke out of that range here. And that's when I was like, yes, I'm in the money, right? And we came all the way from here to here, which was about 85, 90 points. Now, I didn't take my position off at that point, and you're probably thinking why. I wanted more, really. I'm going for large wins. In the Dow, I won at least 100 points, if I'm honest. My stop loss was about... I can't remember exactly where it was, but it was about 70 points. So it's like, if I'm willing to risk 70 points, I want at least 100 points out of it. Otherwise, you're never gonna make any fucking money, right? Well, to me, how it seems anyway. So it came all the way to here. I'd moved my stop loss. You would believe it or not. It came all the way up to here. I didn't put my stop loss to break even because I don't like to do that. I put my stop loss here. So from here, I moved all the way up. So we still had about 20, 30 points of skin in the game. And as you can see, it stopped me out. And I became liquidity. And it came back up to my old position. Now, in my defense, I wouldn't have taken it off again. So it would have just come back and stopped me out again anyway. So it's not a big deal. So this was my anticipation here. This breakout. This is what I wanted. But it just came so late in the day, I'd been stopped out. So I got stopped out of this position for a small loss. Oh yeah, just to add. And then when I saw this reversal, I got stopped out. I saw this reversal. This candle here is actually another buy signal for me here. Because we have all this resistance here. It came out and came back to that resistance, creating new support. Closed very nice on its highs. I bought again here. Breaking this candle. And it didn't really go anywhere. So it came back down for a small win. And then I'm basically break even on the day. You can see it here. See that? Shows you the trades with the line. So that's fucking annoying. I mean, we're up $18. Yeah. So on the week, we're still up. We're at $272. When we started Monday, it was about 300 something. Another trade. I had another losing day, which was yesterday. In the Nasdaq. Let me go back to it. It was another good trade that I just didn't take my profit on. Here. I I'm looking for big wins, right? I'm not looking for 40 points. I'm looking for at least 70 points in the fucking Nasdaq. Right, it was here later on in the day. We're in a range all fucking day. Not all day, but for a long fucking time we're in a range here. So in ranges, I'm looking for some sort of a sweep, usually. And you get it all the time. And we got one here. I bought the break of this candle here. And it absolutely shot up. It was a nice trade. And because we had a sweep, I was betting on breakout. I held on, moved my stop loss to around here and took a small loss. It is what it is. I'm looking for a runner at the end of the day. I could have taken, I'd be up right now if I took that and then took today's trade, but it just doesn't really fit in with my risk profile. Anyway, that's all I have to say on the matter. We've got a losing day, we've got a break-even day, and we're still in the money because my risk management is on point, and I'm happy with that. All right. We're not going to be trading tomorrow because I'm in the office. I don't fucking trade. Last time I traded, I don't trade in the office. It doesn't work. Don't trade when I'm in the office working. It doesn't work. So I'll be trading again Thursday. See how that goes. I'll see you guys later.